Welcome to Monique's Fun Academy, where learning is fun and every day's an adventure. Get ready to sing, play, and explore amazing things together. Let's jump into the fun. The learning starts now.
Learn additions.
Yeah!
1 plus 2 equals. Can you guess the answer? Three.
Yeah!
2 plus 2 equals. Can you guess the answer? 4.
Yeah!
3 plus 2 equals. Can you guess the answer? 5.
Yeah!
3 plus 3 equals. Can you guess the answer? 6.
Yeah!
4 plus 1 equals. Can you guess the answer? 5.
Yeah!
5 plus 2 equals. Can you guess the answer? 7.
Yeah!
4 plus 4 equals. Can you guess the answer? 8.
Yeah!
That was so much fun. Thanks for learning and playing with us at Monique's Fun Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. See you next time. Keep smiling and keep learning.